Hi, this is the help video for Access Chapter 11, Problem Solve 1, although it says Problem Solve 2 up here. It's really listed as Problem Solve 1 in your assignments. So this is to create a navigation form in the Student Organization Database. So let's read the description of the project. The Student Organization Database keeps track of members, meetings, and membership dues. The current database consists of many tables. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tables, and some forms, some queries, and some reports. You've been asked to increase the usability of the database by creating navigation forms. So cool. That would be a fun task. So let's do that. Let's see if I can. All right, so I have the database open over here on the right, and I have enabled it. So we are done with that. So first thing we're going to do is work with this form called Meetings. So let's open that up in Design View. Okay, so pretty nice form. We have some buttons. We've got a sub form on there. Okay, so we want to apply the slice theme. So design, themes, slice. There we go. Pretty blues and purples. All right, we're going to apply that. So we're pretty good. Remember, when you do that, it's for everything. Everything takes on those, like the font that you're using, the color palette available, all of that. All right, so add a command button to the form meeting form. That can be used to find a particular record in the form. Type find meeting for the text label and CMD find meeting for the button name. Okay, so let's see what that is. So I think we want to put this button right down here. So first of all, we want to make sure we're in that section. So I just clicked in here. We're going to come up to our controls and find the control we want, which is a button. I'm going to come right down here and just click. So it says we want to do a find meeting. So we want to do a particular record. So we're in record navigation, find record. Next, find meeting as the text, and then CMD find meeting as the button name. So we have that. Set the width to match that of the add meeting. So I'm going to select both of these. Arrange, size, widest, size, tallest. Oops, undo that one. Size, shortest. Then I'm going to align left so they're in the same. The other thing I could do is select all of them and do equal vertical, and they'll all just shift a bit. Okay, so we have that all done. Okay, so we want to add the form members in layout. So I'm going to go to form members. It says in layout. We're going to do the same thing, although I'm going to go to design view because I like design view better. So I'm going to click here, design, controls, button, click, record navigation, find record. It's gonna be find member, and then the name is gonna be CMD find member. Finish. Set the width to match that. Okay, so we're going to go through this process again. Arrange size to widest, and I'm going to do to shortest. And then align left, and then I'm going to select all of them and space equally vertical. So there's the same amount of white space. Okay. So we have that done. On the form meetings, so we're going to go back here, remove the navigation button and record selector. Okay, so we have to go to design, property sheet, and we want to make sure we're on the form. And we're going to find navigation button and record selector. Okay, so let me just back up. So I clicked on here to select the entire form, right? So right here, you could have just used this down arrow and picked form. Doesn't matter, whichever way. So then I want to say navigation, record selector, no. Navigation buttons, no. Apply intense. Okay, so we got this done on our form meeting. Apply an intense effect dark blue accent to each of the command buttons. So I'm going to close that properties. I'm going to select each of these buttons that are right now kind of purple. I'm going to come over here to format and do quick style, and it's intense effect. So let's find where that is. Bottom row, dark blue, accent 1. Click. Because I have them all selected, it changed them all to that. Okay. Save and close form meeting. So then we're gonna, we're gonna take care of that. And I suspect we're going to do the same thing on the form members. So we're going to remove the navigation buttons. So back to property sheet, format, make sure we're in the form, because this is controlling the whole form, not a particular section or object. No and no. Close that. Select all 4 buttons. Format, quick style, and it's the same, right? Dark blue accent 1. Save it, close it. So we have 6 done. All right, looks like we're going to do some more of this. Form member majors. So I'm going to open that in design view. Since I have it here, I'm going to go ahead and do the style of the buttons first. Format, quick style, same thing. And that makes sense, right? You want to be consistent in how they are. And then I'm going to select my form and go into my property sheet and make record selector no, navigation buttons no, save the form, and close it. Create a okay, so I'm going to stop there at 7. We're going to pick up the next movie at 8, where we're going to set up a new form. All right, thank you.